Hi, I am Anas, and this is Heisenberg Protocol, an autonomous cyber resilience system designed to self-heal infrastructure in real time. So, in modern DevOps, detecting a vulnerability is easy, but fixing it is slow. So, I wanted to close that loop. So, Heisenberg doesn't just alert you when your server is under attack, it autonomously analyzes the root cause, generates a code patch using Agentic AI, Oumi, and many other things, and deploys a fix without human intervention. So the fix will be generated in the form of a PR, which on the repo you give in the input parameter. It also takes target URL as input parameter. So the whole architecture is built on a event-driven stack such as Kestra, which is a central orchestration engine, and it manages the entire lifecycle from chaos injection to remediation. So inside Kestra, I integrated the Oumi open source library to power the AI inference, and I also implemented Cline Protocol to ensure the agent thinks before it codes. And the whole website, as you can see, is built on Next.js and deployed on Vercel. The link will be given in the Google form link. So let me show you the whole flow of the app. If I click on initiate protocol, it will show the logs on the right hand side and the market watch and the threat index on the left hand side. As you can see the logs, it will first find the error, then will write the code fixing that error, and then will generate a PR and a issue. The PR will be linked to that issue. So it is generating a patch. Then as you can see, the final resilience score is calculated and a fixed PR and an issue is created. So resilience score is calculated on the basis of vulnerability patch rate, traffic analysis, system uptime and code integrity. If we look at the fixed PR, so this is open now. And also Code Rabbit is also integrated in the PRs to automate the PR checking. As you can see, the Code Rabbit is currently processing the PR. So if you look at the file changed, so it basically created a middleware.ts because it found out that the issue was the related to rate limiting. So this is the issue created which was created by the website Heisenberg Protocol detected a 500 error spike code /API/victim. So this is basically the flow of the complete app. So that's it for our app, and thank you for watching.